Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you might already know, Sephora's biggest deals of the season are happening very soon, and I'm so excited about it, and I'm sure you are too. In today's video I wanted to talk about some of the must-have beauty essentials from Sephora that I think are really worth scoring, and also give you some product recommendations as to what you might want to get, as well as I will be sharing with you some of the things that are definitely on my list for grabs. So I hope you continue watching. Sephora Spring Bonus Event starts first for Rouge members. They get 15% off. I got my card. I'm excited to use it. I won't put it into any waste. And it starts this Friday, April 13th, and lasts till Monday, April 16th. So it's super nice because you get the entire weekend to shop. And for VIB and Beauty Insider members, the event starts on April 20th and lasts till April 23rd. The VIB members get 15% off as well, and the Beauty Insiders get 10%. And if you are not, by any chance, a Beauty Insider member of any kind, just sign up now so you won't miss all those great deals. It's of course free of charge, it's free to sign up, so why not just sign up now. That was the introduction, and now let's move on to some of the products that I think are really worth buying and are a must to grab during the event. And number one, first comes first, you should absolutely get products that you use constantly, that you use every single day, you use all the time, you cannot live without them, you cannot do makeup without them. So this is like on top of my list as well, because if you are using them every day, you may run out of them pretty soon. So this is the best time to basically stock up your beauty vanity and make sure you have all your beauty essentials. So for example, for me, I cannot live without Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil. I use it every single day. I use it in different colors for my clients as well, and it's really great for shaping your eyebrows, for adding that definition to your eyebrows. The only downside to this product is that you cannot actually tell when it ends, so I always like to have a new one unopened in my kit just in case I run out of it. Another thing that I constantly use and I recommend you to buy is the translucent setting powder. Obviously, Mercier is the cult favorite. You always need a product to set your makeup, and this one is just so universal. I think like everyone is using it, so it's a great time to stock up. Mascara is another product that I constantly use as well, and I'm obsessed with Lancome Monsieur mascara. It gives you tons of body to your lashes, it gives you volume, it gives you that beautiful full lash effect. And mascara is actually also one of those products that you need to dispose every 3 months or so, up to 3 months I would say, because it's a damp, dark environment, so a lot of bacteria could happen inside. You don't want to get any eye infection. Another thing I use every single day is the beauty blender, and just stock up on it. As with the mascara, that's the stuff that you kind of really need to get rid of after 3 months or so, because it holds on to bacteria, and even if you clean it, it's better to just replace it every now and then, especially if you are dealing with some acne or if you are dealing with some occasional breakouts. This might be the reason. And I can't live without my bronzers. These are my favorite bronzers. I have one from Too Faced, and it's just the chocolate bronzer in medium. I use it a lot. This one is actually pretty new, but I'm gonna be stocking on the new one anyway. It's just so universal. It's matte, so I love it for contouring, for adding that dimension to your face. And Hoola Bronzer, again, you cannot go wrong with it. You see, I'm almost running out of it. I will be definitely stocking up on this one as well. Foundations. I talked about my favorite foundations in my previous video. You can watch it after this one. So it's again a very good time to basically just stock up on your favorite foundations, or to buy a slightly more expensive foundation. You always wanted to get, like, Giorgio Armani is an expensive foundation, but if you get 15% or 10% off, it puts it at a nicer price. So definitely stock up on your favorite foundation you use all the time, you use every day. And I also absolutely love the IT Cosmetics CC cream. You know, I'm a big fan. I'm running out of it right now as we speak, so I will be buying more. And since we are speaking about foundations, Concealers are another product that I think we use all the time, every single day, and we need them. So one of my favorites is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars. Just get it. You will love it. I use it for my under eyes. And as you might already know, I also love this Lancome Peach Corrector, which I use first to color correct the dark circles. So I'm gonna be stocking up on this guy as well. Primers, again, I use them every single day. And this one from Hourglass, it's great if you want to really prolong the stay of your makeup. It keeps water and sweat away, and it also smooths and the fine lines and the pores and the wrinkles that you might have. So it's a very universal primer that I absolutely love. It's pretty pricey as well, but with the discount it just makes so much sense to get it now, so you just don't pay a full price. And the second one that I also like is the one by Too Faced, Hangover. I recommend it if your skin is drier, and it gives you that very fresh look. Some setting spray, my two favorite, Urban Decay All Nighter if you are going out for no, I'm just kidding. If you really want to keep your makeup in place, that's the last step you need, the all-nighter spray. Or if your goal is to have that nice dewy skin finish, that's the Cover Fix Illuminating Setting Spray. It's just such a nice fine mist. It feels like heaven, so I love it as well, and it gives you like tons of illumination. You can just reapply it throughout the day to kind of like refresh your makeup. So another beauty product I use every single day, I never leave my house without, is obviously an SPF product. The CC cream, already have it, but if you want to try something else, I also have in my kit SPF from Colorescience and the brush on sunscreen, which is great for carry-on to put in your makeup bag as well, so you can reapply it throughout the days, because you really need to protect your face from the damaging effects of the sun, especially now as summer is coming. And last but not least, be sure to stock up on some of your favorite like eye pencils or maybe eyeliners. If you are a fan of a wing eyeliner look, the Stila one, you can never go wrong with it, or the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner as well. I really love the pencils from Urban Decay Cosmetics, the Glide On eye pencils. I have them in different colors depending on the look I'm going for, but I really like to use the color Roach, like in my waterline, because it's not that sharp as the black color, but it still gives you that nice kind of edginess to the eye. And also lipsticks. You probably use some sort of a lipstick every single day, so this is your chance to stock up on some of your favorites. I've been recently loving the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks in like nude colors. I really love the one like the Stark Naked color, and I also like the Naked Nude color. Okay, so that was the first category I wanted to highlight. And another great way to use your discount code is to basically buy some beauty products you've been meaning and thinking about buying for so long, but you needed that extra push to do it, and now is the time. And you have an excuse to splurge because you get your discount. If you are a fan of Natasha Denona as I am, just try their makeup palettes. They are amazing. You get so many different colors. This is one of my favorite palettes. You can tell I use it quite a bit, but I have my eyes on the Sunset palette as well. So who knows? If you haven't tried Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes, now it's a good time to try it. Highly recommend. The discount is also a great way to add some luxury to your life. Some Tom Ford eyeshadow palettes. I love the Cocoa Mirage palette. I use it quite a bit for my brides, as you might know. But I also like the Golden Mink palette. I love those sparkles. These are just so luxurious. They look beautiful on vanity and they just make you feel very special. Or try the creams, the cream eyeshadows. You just put them on with your fingers and you just go out in 2 seconds. And like obviously you cannot go wrong with some Dior in your life. The lip glow, everyone loves it. Just gives you that natural kind of healthy looking lips. Let's talk about some tools that you might get from Sephora. And for me, I had been always wanting to get the flat iron from GHD, the platinum one. It has a very nice technology. It keeps your strands healthier and it doesn't damage your strands that much. If you're looking for a good straightener, I think it's one of the best options. So just get it now at a very good price. And also, speaking of some other tools that I love at Sephora, obviously you can get your Clarisonic to clean your face. The motions in the brush are really so much more powerful than what you will be able to accomplish with just your hands, so that's a great tool to get as well. But also, if you are thinking about whitening your teeth, that's an amazing option, the Glow Brilliant Whitening System. I used this system in the past, I really loved it, I love the results, so I highly recommend if this is your goal. It's one of the safest, easiest and fastest ways to basically whiten your teeth. And what's great about this system in particular is that it doesn't give you that sensitivity that often comes with whitening your teeth. It has an amazing reviews on Sephora. As far as other tools are concerned, this event is also a very good time to get some makeup brushes that you might need. Sephora has some great options. Or if you are even in need of a good lash curler, just get one from Lancome or Stewart Beauty. Okay, let's now talk about some skincare, because I talked about some of my makeup beauty essentials I use every day. I haven't touched upon skincare, which is such a big part of Sephora's family and Sephora's assortment. So definitely the Sephora beauty event is a great way to stock up on some of your skincare must-haves and skincare items that you use again every single day. And some of the items that are more pricey, that require a splurge, and some of the like skincare everyday essentials that you might be using. So obviously like a cleanser, just get a good one. To give you some option, I really like the Biossance Squalene and Antioxidant Oil Cleanser. It just removes makeup, it gets rid of all the impurities, and I'm really actually a fan of the entire Biossance line. From my previous video, you might already also know that I like the probiotic gel cream. It's like a very nice light moisturizer that's great underneath makeup and great at bringing balance to your face. Also, for everyday essentials, you need a toner. I use the toner after every cleansing. The balancing mist is a good option. You just spray it on your face to refresh and tone your face. And also some serious stuff. You cannot go wrong with a retinol serum at night. Retinol is one of the most powerful ingredients in fighting aging, and end of story. But if you're using a retinol product, always use an SPF. That's a must no matter what. And how about some drunk elephant in your life? How about that? No, I'm just kidding. But like the C Firma Day serum is a great serum to use every single day during the day, because it has tons of vitamin C to protect you from environmental stressors, from any damage. This one is a very good option, and also it has amazing reviews on Sephora, so that's definitely a score during this beauty event. And my last recommendation would be to think about basically gifts. Now is a great time to buy someone a gift, and which lady in your life doesn't like a good beauty product? So it's a very good time to basically buy something for your mom, because Mother's Day is coming. So just get her like a skincare product or a perfume. Okay, so I hope I talked about everything I prepared. I have such a mess here right now that hopefully I covered everything, but yes, these were my tips. Again, think about what you need, what you've been meaning to buy for a very long time. Think about some skincare, and think about some women in your life that you might want to gift some product to. And definitely let me know below what you plan on getting during the sale. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me for this video, and I see you very soon. Hi everyone.